Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long & Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to 9 Kilcolman Court, Unit 204. This is a completely updated 2-bedroom and 1 full bath condo located just minutes west of I-83 in Timonium, Maryland. There are many upgrades, including new carpet, luxury vinyl plank flooring, remodeled bathroom, new washer and dryer, granite countertops, and custom tile backsplashes. The living room has a cozy wood-burning fireplace with mantle, and there is access to a private balcony. The kitchen and dining room have plenty of space for entertaining, including a granite bar with room for seating. The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet, new wall-to-wall carpet, and ceiling fan. The second bedroom is very spacious with a pocket door for entry. The oversized full bathroom has a dual vanity and new tile backsplash. This turnkey unit is only a few steps up from the main level on the second floor.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.